Right, this is slowly coming into shape. You say these are on with the box. That's on. It's a different color, but that's what we're doing. That's why I'm doing this, right? Fitting all this, so then we can blow. I can respray it, and that'll match that basically. But all the so basically I'm just drilling bits and pieces out. For example, the body, I have to drill that out. Yeah. I'm not going to do it with one hand because the drill is going to go like that. Maybe not. So anyway, just to put stuff in like this, like we have put on the other side, and yeah, coming on nicely. See you later, mates.
Home within 2 hours, but I couldn't. I'd lost too much blood during the actual procedure,